haram money, many people are consuming it. While in Islam, if we look at it, forbidden wealth runs a person just like a lion destroys its prey. A significant number of people don't consider forbidden wealth as forbidden, which is highly incorrect. Whenever someone starts consuming forbidden things, the biggest loss for that person is that none of their prayers are accepted. Forbidden wealth is earned very easily. Today, people on social media are making money by forgetting the truth, enticing others with their greed for money, and engaging in fraud. Forbidden money destroys you in such a way that you cannot even imagine its consequences. The biggest loss that will occur is this: if you feed your children forbidden things, they will disgrace you, and the more you earn forbidden money, the less successful you will become. You can never succeed with forbidden money. There are many ways to earn forbidden money. The most dangerous is interest, which is earned very easily, and it's such a sin. A widespread practice nowadays that has become quite common is earning money by adding songs to one's videos, and this too is considered forbidden. Consuming 1 dirham of interest is equivalent to committing adultery 36 times. It's such a grave sin. It's only the sin of interest, and if you prefer forbidden things in this way, you become a major sinner. A fortunate person is one who earns and consumes halal and ensures that his children also consume halal. Otherwise, people today engage in fraud, taking money from others in the name of trading, unaware of the severe punishment they will face on the day of judgment. If you are involved in forbidden activities, repent as soon as possible and turn towards Allah. May Allah protect us from forbidden things.